welcome back to our channel. Take it simple. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to change language in Slack. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open the Slack app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, launch the app, then sign in. Now on the screen, you can see options like home, DMs, activity and more. You have to stay on home, then on the top left corner, select your icon. There you can see options like add a workspace, preferences and help. Tap on preferences. There you can see the second option there is language. Just tap on it, then select the preferred language from there. I'm gonna select Deutsch language, then tap on change to Deutsch from the bottom of your screen. And guys, that's it. That's how you change language on Slack app. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.